How to buy Bob the Breakout Bro by Virtuals token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this is their X account. Make sure to follow them and keep following their updates about this token. Now, after that, go on the screen and find this token. As you can see, if you don't have an account on this screen, just go and create one. Now, as you can see, this token, it's under the base network. I'll just go and copy the token address. Now go and open the BREAKOUT wallet, and now go to your wallet. Now, as you can see, select the base network from here and click on this plus icon. Now paste the token, as you can see. Now, as you can see, click on plus icon. Now go back to your wallet and now find the token, your token. So this is our token called Bob. Just click on it and click on swap. Now click on switch from here and now select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds and you will be able to see how much you will receive with that token. Just click on buy for here to be able to buy this Bob token. So this is how to buy the Bob token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.